Appu has the largest library of rhymes and songs in the world, in English and many other languages.
Tulips in rows of purple and red, miles and miles of flower beds. Keukenhof Gardens is blooming with spring, it's Netherlands. Whirl, whirl, whirls, the old windmill. There are more in line all along the hill. It's a sight to behold in Kinderdijk, it's Netherlands. Take a boat tour around Amsterdam through the winding canals all around. Take a long stroll through the city's heart, it's Netherlands. There's a fact I heard about Amsterdam, the entire city on poles does stand. It also has the tallest people in the world, it's Netherlands. Dutch is the language that people speak. To the world is the biggest seller of cheese, one of the healthiest countries. Here good diet matters most, it's Netherlands.
Like and share this video. Also, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more musical fun.